He says, I have you, I want to play with you. I'll roll over so you can get on me.
Dr. Watson.
You better watch out. Here comes the cat. I'm gonna freak you out. Be gentle, Scotty. What are you doing, Satch? You strange look at.
I'm here to talk about
Oh, Scotty, you're so jealous.
Nothing happened about my patient.
I was there. He might not have killed himself.
Just don't chew on my ankles. Hey, I know you're thinking about it, little dog. Brittany. Aww. Watch out, the cat is above you. Poor little Oliver. What can I say? You're just the smallest little furry thing in this house now. Except for the mice, but they don't count.